Take it back. You keep laughing. You laugh one more time, that's 30 days. Go contempt. Look it up. State your name.
My name is Thomas Styron. Living man.
Mr. Styron, you are before the court. You have elected to represent yourself. I do have to advise you that you have 3 counts against you. The first count is that of fleeing and eluding 3rd degree under a motor vehicle code. Do you understand?
30 days. 30 days. 30 days.
The name you have on the case. The name you have on the case is who I am.
I suggest that you watch yourself because there's going to be more time coming. You want to smile about it? You want to smile about it and laugh about it? Take it back. You will not talk to me.
In what fashion? In what fashion? I'm not the one being on that. I'm not the one being on that.
Judge Simpson is one of the harshest judges in the United States. He does not play games. This sovereign citizen found that out the hard way. The second he walked into that courtroom, felony charges on the table, and this guy is in there smirking. Judge Simpson made him regret every single second of it. Let's get into it.
People versus Thomas Styron.
There must be some confusion. There must be some confusion.
What's a confusion?
Stated multiple times on the record that I wish to represent myself.
Well, I thought we got rid of that issue last.
I thought so too. I spoke to this gentleman right here. I spoke to this gentleman wish to represent myself as well.
All right. If he doesn't want you, I mean, we'll figure that out. We'll figure that out. So, Mr. Styron, again, what do we want to do again? What do we want to do? You understand what you charge with, sir?
I understand what the charges. Against me. Yeah.
Okay. Look, you're gonna have to give me straightforward answers because I've got to make sure that you understand certain things I got to do. So you understand first of all that if you want to smile about it, and laugh about it. We'll call them out later. Understand the nature of that charge, sir.
This is under the assumption that you're compelling me to identify as Thomas York Styron, the legal entity on this case.
I believe that you are. Do you understand the nature of the charge, sir?
I don't understand how the name you have on the case and who I am, it's 2 different people.
I have a complaint. Thomas Styron II. Do you understand that individual is charged with fleeing and eluding 3rd degree?
So,
do you understand the nature of that charge? You just need to answer my question.
For the record,
take him back, and when he decides he wants to cooperate, we'll bring him back. Maybe. I'm not threatening you. Say one more word, and that's 30 days. 30 days!
That might be the fastest contempt sentence I've ever seen on this channel, and honestly, it was completely earned, so I'm not too mad about it. But the name argument, I feel like, is the laziest sovereign citizen move in the book. Like, every single judge has heard that at one point, and they've heard it 1,000 times, and not once has it ever worked either. This guy literally had a simple yes or no question in front of him and chose chaos instead, pretty much. Like, we all know that's not a legal strategy. That's pretty much just his personality problem. And like, honestly, props to Judge Simpson here because he has been more patient than most would have been, and this sovereign citizen is burning through every last bit of patience in real time right now from Judge Simpson. And also, contempt of court in Michigan can carry up to 93 days in jail, and Judge Simpson went straight to 30 without hesitation, which pretty much just tells you exactly how seriously he takes his courtroom. But yeah, it's just the fact that this sovereign citizen came in here with zero intention of cooperating from the start. It's just like the smiling and laughing. It was pretty much, he like had that as his choice from the start here.
Styron, you are before the court on a felony complaint that does allege count 1. And I'm going to presume, since you do not want to answer the court's questions, that you understand English and understand what I'm saying. You are before the court on 3 charges. Count 1 is the charge of fleeing and eluding, punishable by up to 5 years incarceration or $1,000 fine plus court cost. Count 2 is assaulting, resisting, and obstructing a police officer, punishable by up to 2 years incarceration. Count 3 is a misdemeanor offense of operating with a license suspended, denied, and or revoked, punishable by up to 93 days, $500 fine plus court costs. Since you refused previously to answer my acknowledgement as to whether you understand that, I will assume that you understand what you're charged with. In representing yourself, the court will make the presumption that you understand the Michigan court rules. The court will not be providing any legal assistance to you. With all of that, and with the court's understanding that you do not want to be represented by counsel, I will set this matter for its next proceeding.
You understand I'm the beneficiary, not the trustee, right?
That will be the preliminary examination. I will set the preliminary examination. Has discovery been provided to the defendant? Does anybody from the public defender's office know whether or not the defendant has been provided discovery?
Your Honor, we have the discovery. I've not been able to share that discovery with Mr. Steyer, and I tried to speak with him and go over it, but I'd be happy to turn that over to him at first available.
All right, if you would either turn that over to the court officer so that they can provide that to Mr. Steyer so that he has the discovery, and if you could do that today, I would appreciate it.
Yes, Your Honor.
I'm setting the preliminary examination. Thank you, sir.
Yes.
Defendant, as he was leaving the courtroom the last time, the court did find the defendant in contempt, sentenced him to 30 days. Defendant will serve that sentence. The court will sign the judgment of sentence regarding the contempt.
I don't understand how that's possible. Like I said, I'm
So first of all, watch your
beneficiary. You're
language.
treating me as if I'm the trustee, or I don't want to partake in any trust fraud or anything like that. Is this a QVA trust matter involved in this? Is my social security number attached to this at all? Go figure.
Mr. Styron, or whoever you wish to be addressed as, I'd suggest that you watch yourself because there's going to be more time coming. You keep it up. You will learn how to conduct yourself appropriately in these proceedings in this courtroom and before me. You will not in any manner whatsoever
You're trying to
disrespect
compel me to be somebody I'm not.
or this institution.
You have no evidence.
It will not
to prove
happen.
that I'm who you say I
You
am.
will not talk to me in that fashion.
In what fashion? I'm not the one being unethical.
Very good. You'll serve the 30 days. We'll see. We'll see him on the 6th. Bond continued.
This sovereign citizen walked out of there with 30 days and a court date, and I genuinely don't think he learned anything from it. Judge Simpson was more than fair before that contempt sentence dropped too, and definitely most judges would have done it way sooner, so part 2 of his hearings are gonna come out soon, so make sure you guys are subscribed, because that preliminary examination is going to be something else. And yeah, let me know in the comments if you guys think he'll show up to the next hearing with that same smirk he had in this one, and if you guys enjoyed, make sure to like and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.